Greetings for the day. Today we are going to see about human right education. I, Professor Sarita Verma, Assistant Professor from AICSR, will give you the highlights about human right education. What do you understand by right? Right means those freedom which are essential for personal good of the community. And as we have seen, the right guaranteed under the Constitution of India are the law of the land and are enforced in the court of law, fundamental as we have been incorporated in the fundamentals. Fundamental rights are those right condition of social life without which a citizen cannot be at his best self, or those basic conditions which are very essential for good life of a citizens. That's what human rights says. Coming to the next, what are the salient feature of human rights? Recognition everywhere, freedom of movement, life, liberty and security. Nationality, freedom of thoughts, conscience and association, take part in the government of his country. These are the salient features. This says more about human rights. Now, as we all know, what are the different fundamental rights? Like for example, right to equality, right to constitutional, right to freedom, right to get religion education, right against exploitations. Moving ahead, it also says that right to equality, equality before law, it has mandatory in the Article 14. Social equality and equal access to public areas, it has been said in Article 15. Equality in matters of public employment, it says about Article 16. Similarly, Article 17 is abolition of untouchability, abolition of titles, it represents Article 18. It's nothing but right to equality, which says human right. Now this is one of the most important part that what we always should follow, that is, give to every human being equal right that you claim for yourself. It was given by Robert Ingersoll. That's about human rights. Thank you.